Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for meal planning. First, create a dedicated Notion page for your meal planning hub. Next, set up a database to house all your recipes, adding essential properties like meal type, key ingredients, and estimated cooking time. This structured approach helps you quickly find and organize your culinary ideas, making meal prep much more manageable and less stressful throughout your week. It's a fantastic way to streamline your kitchen routine. Now, let's populate your recipe database. Enter each recipe with clear instructions and a list of ingredients. You can link these ingredients directly to your recipes, which is super helpful for tracking. Also, use tags to categorize meals by dietary preferences, such as vegetarian or gluten-free, or by cuisine type. This makes filtering and finding the perfect meal for any occasion incredibly simple and efficient, saving you valuable time. With your recipes organized, it's time to plan your week. Create a calendar view in Notion and simply drag and drop your recipes onto the days you want to cook them. This visual planner makes scheduling a breeze. Once your meals are set for the week, Notion can help you generate an automatic shopping list based on the ingredients in your chosen recipes. This ensures you only buy what you need, reducing waste and saving money. To take your meal planning to the next level, consider integrating your plan with a grocery budget tracker within Notion. This helps you monitor spending and stick to your financial goals. You can also easily share your meal plan with family members, allowing everyone to see what's for dinner and even contribute their own recipe ideas. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.